Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to create this simple character in Blender. I'm going to create this simple character in Blender. This is very easy and very beginner friendly character model. So let's model this. Let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So this was the reference I was using, and this is our model. So this was the reference, and this is our model. This is very simple character, cartoon character to create. This is for beginners. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.